Students, welcome back with another section of social studies. Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. Gandhiji helped free the Indian people from British rule through non-violent resistance and is honored by Indians as the father of the Indian nation. He was a great freedom fighter who led India as a leader of the nationalism against British rule. He was also considered as the father of the country, no doubt. He had also improved the lives of India's poor people. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. He studied law in England and then moved to South Africa to practice law there. At that time, South Africa was ruled by the British. In South Africa for about 20 years, Mahatma Gandhi protested against injustices and racial discrimination using the non-violent method of protest. Finally, in 1947, the British were forced to leave the country and grant India its freedom. Gandhiji abolished the practice of untouchability. He called untouchables Harijans or children of God. His work earned him the title of Mahatma or Great Soul. Gandhiji was shot dead on January 30, 1948. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is also known as Blessed Teresa of Calcutta. She was born on 26th August 1910 in Yugoslavia. Mother Teresa was Roman Catholic nun moved to Calcutta slum to serve God among the poorest of the poor. In 1950, she established the Missionaries of Charity to help the poor, helpless, disabled, diseased, refugees, and lepers. Today, the missionary is present in more than 100 countries. Her father was an Albanian builder. She has two brothers and a sister. They were older than her. She decided to become a nun when she was only 12 years old. After becoming a nun, she took the name Teresa. She came to India when she was 18 years old. On her arrival in India, she began by working as a teacher. However, the widespread poverty of Calcutta made a deep impression on her, and this led to her starting a new order called the Missionaries of Charity. The primary objective of this mission was to look after people nobody else was prepared to look after. One day, she decided to move to the slums of Kolkata. She worked for the poor and sick and gave them food and medicines. She set up an orphanage called Nirmal Hriday. She also started leprosy centers. In 1948, she left the convent to live full time among the poorest of the Calcutta. For many years, Mother Teresa and a small band of fellow nuns survived on minimal income and food, often having to beg for funds. But slowly, her efforts with the poorest were noted and appreciated by the local community and Indian politicians. Her work spread around the world. Mother Teresa received many awards for her work such as the Bharat Ratna in 1980, the Nobel Prize 1979 and Magsaysay Award. By 2013, there were 700 missions operating in over 130 countries. The scope of their work also expanded to include orphanages and hospice for those with terminal illnesses. She continued her work with the poor for the rest of her life, leading the Missionaries of Charity until just months before her death, September 5, 1997. She was buried on 13th September 1997 at the Mother House of the Missionaries of Charity, Kolkata, India. She was proclaimed a saint by the Pope in 2016. That's all for today. Thank you.